fibromyalgia linked to what you eat? Hi, Steve Larvick of Affordable Medical Equipment here. Fibromyalgia and diet are part of a raging controversy amongst medical professionals. And finding a doctor who will correctly diagnose your illness is difficult. If you are misdiagnosed, how can you expect to have the right treatment prescribed for your pain? The internet has been a blessing to an ever-growing legion of fibromyalgia pain sufferers like you. As an uncensored secondary diagnostic option, you can find alternative treatments and talk with your peers online to see what does or does not work to alleviate fibromyalgia pain and problems. When researching what does or does not work for fibromyalgia, you will find a consensus among those who suffer from it that it can be treated by changing your diet. Now, there is no foolproof dietary plan that will work for all fibromyalgia sufferers, but there are lists of foods to avoid and lists of foods to use in your recipes. Experimenting to find the right balance for you will be necessary, but will also bring the joy of cooking back into your life when it actually starts eliminating your problems. To start with, let us offer these 5 tips for relieving your fibromyalgia pain symptoms. Number 1, ease into dietary change. Drastic change almost never works. If you want the pain of fibromyalgia to go away, you need to start by eating a balanced diet. Get rid of foods high in fat and eat more veggies. No more potato chips, candy, and soda. Keep bottled or filtered water, actually distilled is best, but keep it on hand always and drink it whenever you have the urge for a carbonated beverage or alcohol. Once you flush out your system, the next steps will be easier. Number 2, reduce carbohydrate intake. Eat more chicken, beef, and fish, and less bread and potatoes. Remember, more meat, less potatoes. Do this, and you will find you have more energy, and you will reduce hypoglycemia problems. Avoiding carb-loaded foods will reduce insulin production, and in large doses, insulin makes the body store fat globules. No good for anyone, but it is especially bad for those with fibromyalgia. Number 3, you need to give up coffee and caffeinated beverages. This can be a tough one, but it is crucial to eliminating the IBS symptoms commonly diagnosed in people with fibromyalgia. Sorry, but this means no chocolate, or at least a lot less of it too. Number 4, if you drink alcohol regularly, you are going to have to quit or cut it way back. If you have been diagnosed with fibromyalgia, then you are probably already taking pain pills and other prescription and non-prescription medications. Mixing these with alcohol is just not smart anyway. If you are not taking pills to mask the pain, then you may be self-medicating with alcohol. Either way is not the right way to beat this disease. In fact, alcohol aggrieves the bowels and wreaks havoc on the digestive tract. Again, keep water on hand always and substitute it when you have the urge for an alcoholic or carbonated beverage. It sounds too easy, but it works. And number 5, use natural sweeteners instead of processed sugar. Raw honey is easy to substitute for granulated sugar. This is good advice for everyone, but it is proven that fibromyalgia patient suffering is reduced, symptoms alleviated, and immune system functions restored just by decreasing refined sugar intake. To treat fibromyalgia is work, particularly when some experts and doctors refuse to even admit its existence. But you can beat it, and dietary change should be the first step on the road to your recovery. We at Affordable Medical Equipment hope these tips help you embark on your journey to a better life. For more information and advice, recipes, and product reviews, go now to www.painsaway.info/eliminate fibromyalgia. I know that's a mouthful, but you can just go to our blog, www.painsaway.info. That's PAINSAWAY.info, painsaway.info, and look for the page Eliminate Fibromyalgia. Or just sign up for our free product reviews by typing your name and email address in the opt-in box in the upper left-hand corner. Go to painsaway.info and sign up now. Go to your email, confirm your request. It's the first step on your road to living pain-free.